Hello everyone. So let us continue the transaction processes for the customer service processes. In the previous session we talked about the transaction entries. So for the scenario service processing, and the first one, which is the selling of a serialized product and creating an equipment master record. So we created the sales order, then we created the delivery. So now we need to create a billing document. So let us go through that system, then see how we can create the billing document. Okay, let me just go to the system. So here, as we know, the transaction code for creating a billing document is VF01. Let's put that one. Then we need to put our the delivery note number. So 800.19481. This was our delivery note number which we created in the previous sessions. So let me just put enter. So this will bring the details. Then we need to simply save it. So this will create a billing document, so which we can display it here. So this is the number, billing document number. Then we can enter it. We can see this one. So here accounting document, it will come. So what the system is saying that accounting document is not yet been created. So there is sometimes what happens, the system configuration will maintain in such a way that the billing document, accounting document will be generated upon release of the invoice. Okay. So let us try whether this one, that is one reason. Another reason, it can be some financial or finance related configuration is missing in the system. Anyway, this is a IDA system, so sometimes it may be missing. So if it is missing, then that time also accounting document will not generate. So but let's for our reference, let's just check how does it look. So let me go to the billing document change. So then here we get a option release to accounting. So once you click this release to accounting, if all the configurations are proper, then system will create the accounting, it will generate the accounting document. So let me just check that one. So let's tick it. So it is creating an error. So what it is showing is no tax on sales purchase are allowed for accounts. So it is a financial configuration is missing for the taxes. So that is the reason. So anyway, let's leave it. So we are not going to go through this billing and finance and all those things. So we can proceed with the other scenarios. So here what we have seen is the creation of sales order, then creation of delivery and creation of billing. Now let us check all those documents in a document flow of sales order. So here let me just open the sales order. So instead of going to transaction code, let me show you how to navigate from the easy access menu. So logistics, then we have sales and distribution, then sales, then we have order here. So let's go to order, then display. So just double click, then it will open. So this was our order 22846. So let me just enter it. Now we can click this icon which is showing us a display document flow. So if I click the display document flow, so here we can see this list of documents. So first one is order. Against order we create a delivery note. After the delivery we create the transfer order, which is again it is required for moving between the bins of warehouse. Then we posted a goods issue. Okay, then this is one invoice I created and cancel it. The last session we created, so since I have not shown you guys, so I have just cancelled it. So this is the one which I created it. So here you can see it is blocked. As I told you that this is blocked because of there is certain configuration missing in finance. So that is the reason. Otherwise, it will show as it is released. Okay. So now let us display the delivery, each document. From here itself also you can deliver. For example, I want to display the delivery, just double click that one, then select this, then say display document. So it will come to the delivery document. Now if I can go back, so it will come to the same area. If I need to see the transfer order, select this. Let's go to transfer order. So this is the transfer order which we have created it. I will come back. Then the goods issue. So goods issue also having a document. So let me select this one, then go to display document. Then you can see this is the movement type. So 601 is posted. So it is the material has been removed from the stock. So that is the goods issue. So here we can see there is an accounting document. So there is an accounting document, special purpose ledger document, profit center document. So all those things was generated. If you double click accounting document, you can see what happens. This is a finished good. So inventory has been credited, then initial entry on has been debited. So all those this entries is showing it, and the posting key and all those entry will be should be able to showing it. So this one we can remove it. So we will go back. Same thing. So here if you look at the cancellation, so this is a document creates for the invoice cancellation. So again, invoice cancellation creation is one document, then you cannot delete it. Once you created it, the option is you have to cancel it. So it's a reversal will happen. Then this is the invoice which we have recently which is created in this session. So I can select this one, then show this one. So you can see this is the one. So again, the accounting document is there. So let's leave it that way. So this is what we have done it. Now we need to see how to create the um, equipment master. Okay, so let me open the another sessions. So let's create that equipment master. Again, I explained in the previous session why we need a equipment master, because equipment master is required to monitor your services, or everything will be done on that one. So here we have a serial number. So from there we need to create the equipment master. So let me just go to the IQ02 transactions. So here the material and the serial number we need to put it. So if you remember, we can just copy it. If you don't remember, let us go back to our document flow. Then let us open our delivery. So in the delivery we will be able to get those documents. So here this is the material. So let me just copy this. Then in this session I will add the material. Okay, now we need the serial number. So here serial number we can go here. So select the item, then here extras, serial numbers. So it will show you which serial number we have been used for this item. So this is the number. So we can select that one. So then I will go to here, then I will put the serial number. So this is the serial number which we have created it. So this is one way of doing it, or we can put the customer reference also as a serial number just for our reference. Okay, then we can enter it. So this is does not exist. So let's put the other number which was the 10041. So let me open it up. So this is the change material serial number. Okay, so it came here based on the material and serial number. Now we need to go to the equipment view. So here you can see the sold party. This was our if you look at here in the our document flow, you can see the shipped party. This is the one, but if you look at the sales order, so let's say the sales order item or sales order header. you can see this is our sold to party also 1171. So that is what here it came as your sold to party 1171. Okay, now we need to go to the equipment details. So we activate the equipment view. So now the equipment view has been activated. Now here we need to maintain the different details for the equipment master data. So initially we'll go to the general data. So here we have for example what is the manufacturer model number, manufacturer part number, manufacturer serial number, all those things we can maintain it. Then here if you go we can maintain what is the maintenance plant, then location, room, and all those things we can maintain it, work center, plant section, all those things. Then we can go to the organization. Then here we can maintain the other details like what is the account assignment, then what is the responsibility, what is the planning plan, planner group, work center, and all those things. And here we have the structure. The higher equipment is there, we can maintain it here. Then these are the partner who is the sold to party, sold to party. Then here we have sales and distribution. Then here we can maintain the sales organization, distribution channel and division. So this is like we were using this 1000 as the sales organization. Then for this purpose we will put it as the service is our distribution channel, and it is a cross division. So we can maintain that one. So we can maintain the sales details. So now we can enter the details like the organization details. So we can go to the here we can just here. So let's go to the organization tab. So here we have the company code is already there. Then business area we were using 7000. Okay. So this is the 7000 business area, we can use it. Then planning plan is here. So this was our planning plan. So it is like 1200. Then this is our planner group. Planner group is 200. So we can maintain that. Then again we have the other details such as main work center, then catalog profile, all those things we can maintain it. So here we can maintain the service. So let's say I can check the work center. So here either from here we can go from the hierarchy, or we can change it to the other selection. So based on let's say work center category. So let's say 1200 is our plan. Then work center category is a maintenance work center. So let's say here it is 5. Then we have multiple work center available. Then we can check anything related to PC is there, so that can be used. So anything, as for example this, let's say just assign this one. So that is assigned to here. Then we can select a catalog profile. So this will give you how it comes here. So for example if you have a PC, then you can select that one. This is a personal computer. So all those details we maintain. Then we can save it. So now changed it to material. For material has been changed. So now we can see that this has been changed. So what happened? Now we have created the equipment, right? So equipment has been created from the serial number. So now how do we view that equipment? So we need to view the equipment. So let me just go to the display serial number IQ03. Okay, we will go to the IQ03 transaction code. So this was our material, this was our serial number. So when you enter it here, so we received these details, right? So here we maintain the sales and distribution data, organization, location, and all those things we maintained, right? So now in the serial data we can see in equipment number here. So basically this equipment number is generated by system once I activated that equipment for this serial number. So, let me just select this number. So, now how do we display the equipment number? So, equipment number, the display is in the transaction code IE03. So, just enter the IE03, then we can just put this number, then enter it. So, you can see this equipment, this is the equipment. So, other one is serial number. So, we have a relationship here now 1:1. So, serial number has been converted into equipment. So, equipment is activated. So, we have the location, then the organization which we entered it, then we have the structure, then the partners, then SD data, then we have the serial number data. So, once you go to the serial number data, you can see this material and serial number. So, for this material and for this serial number, system generated this equipment. So, if you have a warranty details, then we can maintain it here. So, that will come to that one later. So, now you know that we have created the serial number to equipment, then that is going to the equipment created, then how do we be able to see it. So, like we displayed this document, so the document flow. So, we have this much here, but here you will not be able to see that the equipment because it is independent. Only thing is what is the relationship is we are linking the equipment with the sold part and the sales area, where so sales area is maintaining it for further processing, any kind of customer service processing where you need to have the sales document generated and created. So, that sales area will be there, but here again sales area you will have difference, right, because here it is the distribution channel is 10 where the other one is 14, because totally different. This is sales, other one is service. So, that is how it will be done. So, here is a display. So, as I said, it will be, so the one once you deliver it. So, it is a separate process. So, sales completed, then the sold product we created an equipment in the system for our future service processing. Okay. So, these are the initial let us say the transactions required for service processing. So, let me go back to our session here. So, what are the process flow, we talk about it. So, here we have the sales order for seedless products. So, we created a sales order, then we created a delivery, along with the delivery we created the transfer order as well. Then we did the goods post goods issue. Based on the delivery note of confirmed post goods issue, we have done the billing document creation, then we check all the document flow, then that serial number we activated the equipment details. So, this will conclude the first scenario. So, let us close the session here. So, now in the next session we will go and look into the next scenario. So, what is the next scenario like? So, here we have next scenario is the customer services spare part delivery. So, we will look into that one, the transaction, what are the transaction belongs to it, and then how to do it, that one. So, as I said, the service processing, we first sell a product, okay, then that product we sold it, then we create it as an equipment master. Now, for that equipment master you have it in your system, then that we are giving the service. So, then the service we give that we know for the service, if there is any spare part required, how do we deliver it, then we can see the, if the certain kind of service you execute outside the warranty. If it is within the warranty, then surely you will not charge it. If it is outside the warranty, then you need to charge it. Then sometimes you deliver something which may come back for return and repairing process. So, that is also another scenario. Sometimes we send the technician at site, so only for providing the service, then that is also another scenario. So, let us look all those things in coming sections. So, for the time being, let us wind up this now. So, thank you for watching.